You are going to love the 2018 Acadia. The GMC Acadia has great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, remote engine start, all-wheel drive, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, fog lamps, power windows. Come take a test drive today.